instead of trying to do it by myself, I'm gonna come get assistance. Cause yeah, in the future when you see a strut going bad, try to get that fixed. Cause I've seen stuff on the forums where people's struts have messed up and end up breaking their taillights by shooting out and all type of extra. So quick easy fix. I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna get a little assistance because obviously I can't just plot this out and deal with this by myself. Probably can, but why not get some help when you can? You understand? So I'll be right back. Truck strut, pretty easy fix you can do by yourself, but unfortunately mine broke off here, so now I got this problem where it's stuck. So because of that, I'm getting assistance. Okay. That was pretty easy. Now we put this back on. You just pop it on, or you gonna pull the little clip. There you go. Simple. Yep, simple, easy. Thanks, Dante. Have a good day. Got this side, yeah. Might as well switch both. Pull out the little clip. It makes it look simple and easy. I could have did it myself, but I don't want to hurt myself. Don't mind the garbage in my trunk. So you can try to close it, put it down, and make sure it works properly. Yep, looks like it worked. Thanks, sir.